So today we are building a very interesting PC. We have made a $200 PC out of that back there, and it wasn't too bad, but I decided, like, what if we went a whole tier lower and we made the $100 PC? We're just getting rid of the gaming word because it is near impossible to build a decent gaming PC for $100. But the next best thing is just a $100 PC that looks like a gaming PC, but in reality it's probably just for browsing the internet and who knows what. What is going on, gamers? Yes, my hair looks dumb now, but we're working on the PC. Alright, so here's my workshop, the dinner table. My wife always loves it when I do this because it just makes a huge mess and we can't eat dinner here. So we're forced to watch TV at the couch, oh no. Anyways, this is basically what we're working with today. We're gonna be using this baddie of a computer. We have an Intel Pentium in there. And it's so good it doesn't even need a real cooler, it's just literally heatsink. So yeah, that's gonna be nice, a nice touch for this budget build. We used to have some HyperX RAM in there, but now it's just whatever I got out of this old laptop around. We'll see how that goes. It's only 2 gigabytes, but hey, we're building the $100 PC. So we aren't balling. We are balling on a budget, I guess. So this is the case. It's been in a lot of my videos. Basically, we're gonna be using this case. It's like the $5 case, but with the RGB fans, it's 15. So hopefully by the time we throw that and this, it is like $100 or less. I'll have to do a price analysis at the very end of the video, but yeah, let's go ahead and start the transfer. Not too sure if this is gonna work with that motherboard. So we'll get there when we get there, I guess. If I have to take out that power supply, I will, but it's gonna be weird because pre-builds like this usually have a lot of weird quirks and special wires that aren't normal for real gamer PCs. Just an example, the front panel headers are usually a whole ordeal on those bad boys. So for this build, we won't have a graphics card. It's just gonna be a CPU. And obviously, look at that thing. Ready to overclock, ready to put down some cooling power with that metal heatsink. All right, actually, let's get started with the build. It's Thanksgiving Day, so we have things to do, but first let's build this PC. All right, so the PC is basically built. The SSD is just kind of hiding back here. I'm using the original power supply that I had in this case, so I didn't have to use that one, but I could if I wanted to cut budget, but I'm lazy and it's very hard to mount a power supply into foam board, so we're gonna stick with that. It's all there, so let's go ahead and see what happens. I hooked up the power switch and everything, so hopefully it doesn't just go boom. Very good. So we're gonna keep this on for a minute, see if it stays on. If it does, then we'll go take it to a monitor, get a keyboard and mouse on here, and get it all set up. Then of course we're gonna download some Minecraft on this bad boy, because this is what this was made for, Minecraft. Just look at it. So we have the PC all set up. We are basically just gonna go ahead and install Windows, but that's gonna be a completely separate video. I thought it would be a pretty good time to make that video of what to do after you build a gaming PC. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'll see you guys back when Windows is installed and all the drivers are good to go. All right, so the computer is done. We have Windows installed, we have antivirus, we have Minecraft, we have Fortnite, all of the essentials for a gaming PC without a graphics card. I'm not too sure how this is gonna go because I struggled to even download the Minecraft launcher. So we will see what $100 will get you here in 2021, but it's probably not gonna be ready for gaming. Borderline ready for internet browsing, but we'll see. At least it looks cool. It's a nice paperweight, right? Alright, so the screen that you see here is actually Minecraft trying to boot up and freezing on launch. But no worries for us because we are relentless and we will make this game run no matter the cost. Fun fact, I couldn't even get Minecraft Java to install, so we had to stick with like the normal like Microsoft version of Minecraft. So we'll see how this does and if we can even, oh, that was something I haven't seen before. So was that. Yeah, this is bad. Just for giggles, I'm gonna touch the heatsink since it's not hot. Yeah, we don't have a real CPU cooler, it's just a heatsink, so that's not even too warm yet, so that's cool. All right, let's open up Task Manager real fast. Holy crap, this is not a happy computer. Just wanna see if we can look at some of the performance here. So I think Minecraft just crashed because it's not there anymore. Yeah, Minecraft I guess crashed. So let's try and warm things up with some Fortnite. I will say this is not an ideal PC, just a thought. So we'll see if it can even launch either of these games, and if it can't, then this whole video may be a waste. All right, this is progress. Oh no. All right, so we are launching Fortnite right now. I'm honestly concerned. The fire extinguisher is ready. And oh my gosh, so many permissions. Okay, the heatsink is definitely getting warm. The processor has been in there for probably too long. I've never changed the thermal paste out. All this just to launch the game. It's literally been minutes since it started launching. Oh my gosh, this is bad. Well, it says it's running, but it's nowhere to be seen. We have something. It has been at least 3 minutes since I clicked launch. Just so you guys know, just for us to get this screen. Oh no, this is gonna be very bad. All right, that's not supposed to happen. I mean, it might actually take minutes just for it to get past this part too. I'm like, who even knows what's gonna happen whenever you launch a real game? Oh my gosh. It loaded a Fortnite game. I mean, it's bad. This is bad. So by the time I loaded into this game, we already left the lobby, like the loading lobby, and it's already been so far into the game that the circle's here and people are killing each other, and the video game, of course, people, and that's when I loaded in. It took that long just to load in. And we're gonna do a heatsink test. Yeah, that is very warm. And we are lagged out. Hopefully not dead. Oh, we're still dropping. I saw a little bit of movement there. We exist. We are in the game. And not last place. That is all you need to know. We are still ahead of some people somehow. All right, so we built a little building. Yeah, this is really bad. I at least want to play until we die. I want something interesting to happen. Oh, here's a gun. We have our chance. I never said how I wanted to die. Oh wait, this doesn't kill you? Alright, so that's Fortnite, guys. Definitely playable. $100 is all you guys need to game. I mean, just look at how much fun we're having. We are definitely on our way to get our first dub in Fortnite ever on this PC because it is just that good. Alright, we're gonna get out of that game because that was awful, and it took us 30 minutes to launch the game. I feel like this video has taken a very hard decline ever since we found out it can't game. Who would have thought that 2 gigs of RAM, no graphics card, and a Pentium processor couldn't run Minecraft or Fortnite? Like, I thought this was gonna be a great PC. It has RGB, come on. All right, so it's been another 30 minutes and Minecraft straight up won't launch. So yeah. So there you guys have it. That is what $100 gets you for a PC. Not the best thing in the world. If you guys are looking for a cool paperweight, it might actually be worth $100. But if you guys are actually trying to browse the internet, watch YouTube, or do anything, then I highly suggest not ever using that processor along with that lovely heatsink that we had there. I'm sure you guys could probably get lucky and maybe find a better deal that could actually do a little bit of gaming and actually be like a good computer for you at home. But it didn't happen today. We gave it our best shot. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys smash that like button down below and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next video.